Oh no, we're still in a no-fly zone.
Oh, we are?
Gone sailing, Adventure River Ride.
There's no-fly zone.
Okay.
We're approaching.
They told you that, huh?
You're approaching an altitude no-fly zone. Man, I'm glad I didn't launch it yet. I guess last time we were a little bit further out.
I wonder if it's a, maybe a military vessel.
They're pretty set up already. So it's probably because they're close to the naval base over here. Maybe a little bit out. It's not a problem. You can experience. Oh, okay, it says I can launch it, but max altitude 150 meters. So it should be okay. Okay, try again.
Gone sailing, Adventure River Ride.
They're pretty set up already, so it's probably because close to the naval base over here, maybe a little bit out. It's not a problem.
Okay, we can wait a little bit.
Okay, it says I can launch it, but max altitude 150 meters. It should be okay. I think it got disconnected. Did it just disable itself, or what happened? I guess that's not. So I tried to go back and get it, but it's too late. Down. What?
I'm sorry, but
That was unexpected. That's really unexpected. I mean, the thing is to show it said all clear and stuff. I don't know what the hell. What the hell? That is totally crazy because they should have not really should have took off like
does the no-fly zone disable on purpose?
No. It said no fly zone, but I read it and it said you could fly up to 150 meters. That's what it said. You could fly with caution up to 150 meter height.
So what happened to you?
What's that?
Why did you just give up like that?
Not a damn clue. Actually, that's the first time the drone actually done that. Every time we launch it just kicked off.
It looks like it just died off.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
I call that flame out.
Huh?
I call that flame out when you make it. I watched airplanes go down like that. Well, here's a true story.
I guess that's worse within an airplane and stuff.
I still get occasional nightmares from launching airplanes.
Landing the ship?
It was an aircraft carrier.
Oh, okay.
They're going to launch.
That was fun.
I watched the plane go up off the catapult. Flame out.
Flame out.
The engine flamed out and the thing just splashed into the water.
I don't know.
I watched the ejection sequence. The pilot got out. I mean, nobody got killed.
Ooh.
It came very fast. The plane fell in the water. And just before it hit the water, the ejection seat went off. The pilot went off. The helicopter crew was already on the ready. They took off like right away. They got him within minutes out of the water. Meanwhile, as the plane was sinking, one of the compartments opened up to let out the liquid oxygen converters. It looks like about a 10-liter cylinder, green. Okay. And it came up out of the water, bubbling around, letting off liquid oxygen into the water. It's pretty crazy. But what was unnerving about it is that the plane was loaded with bombs.
Damn. I guess they didn't defeat that, huh?
That's what was scary. There was an A-7 attack aircraft with bombs on it. Big 500-pound bombs.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
That would ruin your day.